everyone, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Off the Golf with Nancy. So today I'm going to make egg drop soup. Attempt to. A friend asked me how do you make it. So we're going to sit here and we're going to try to do this today. Alrighty, so I got me some chicken bone broth, and then this is a half a cup, but I'm going to use probably a cup and a half. We'll see. So we're going to get half a cup. We got 1 cup. And we may end up doing 2 cups. Just to, yeah, we'll do 2 cups. So 2 cups of broth. Like I said, I'm using chicken broth. Alright, hold on. I'll kind of like, whoops, not that way. This way. Put some stuff down. There we go. You go over here so y'all can see what's going on. And there's the pan. So we're gonna bring this up to where it's almost boiling, and then reduce the heat. Alright. So then the next thing I saw was that I'm going to crack my egg. You put it in your bowl, and you actually, with your egg, you want to mix it like this. It's almost like you're going to do a scrambled egg. Alright, so we'll mix that. And I'm going to put some add-ins in mine. I'm going to put some mushrooms and some cups of baby bok choy. So I'm going to add that in there. And get this come up to a boil. Alrighty. So there's several different ways I saw that you can make egg drop soup. So this is one of the first ways I've seen it. So this is how I'm going to do this today. And you know, even though it's a hot day, it's a simple soup and everything that you can make. And so alright, got this going. Now, I don't recall if they added any water or anything in the egg. I don't think they did. Because the trick of it is, you've got to get this going, stirring, as this is pouring in, as you pour in your egg in there, so you can get the you know, stir things the way that it looks. You know what I mean? You may have to switch lights, because for some reason that light likes to do that, and then the smoke alarm will go off, and I really don't want the smoke alarm to go off. So let's get this light going. With that, you know, it's been cleaned, we've cleaned it out. It's just the light. It just likes to do that to us. So I'm going to get this one going. Yeah, it's not taking too long. Well, that's a good thing. Alright. So I'm going to turn my handle this way. And that's a tip. Turn your handles in. That way you're not knocking it, and you're not going to knock hot stuff over you. So it's getting there. And this one works a lot faster. So we've got our egg, and this is starting to come to a boil closely. You know, the old saying is, I watch pot never boil. So if you look away for about 30 seconds or count, it'll do its trick. So I start to see bubbles coming up, so I'm going to turn this down some, and then we're going to start adding our egg. Alright, so I'm just going to take my fork, get this a good stirring. All this is drizzling, drizzle, drizzle, a little at a time, drizzle. You keep on going, and drizzle, and drizzle, and drizzle. Oh, this is cool looking. And then drizzle, and drizzle, and drizzle. Keep stirring while you're drizzling, because that's what makes that that sparrow look. Alright. Oh wow, look at that. That is so cool. Then you have, oh yeah, this turned out really good. I gotta set that down. So now I am just going to add these in here to my egg drop soup. And then you can leave it plain, you could add stuff. We're going to add a little bit of seasoning. So we'll get some salt going on in there. Oh, we'll throw in a little bit of chives. Also, when that fork's going to be hot. You know it will be, but that's alright. And we'll get some onion powder in there. Alrighty. So, whew. Stir this up. Oh, this looks awesome. This is so cool. I gotta get another bowl because I'm not going to use that same bowl. So now we're going to put this in the bowl. You can let the bok choy and the mushrooms cook a little bit longer if you want to. This was the idea. So let's plate this up. Let's bowl it up. Alrighty. I think I found a nice favorite. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Alrighty. So here is our egg drop soup. Oh my goodness, it smells good. It's hot. So, there we go. Yes, I know I'm supposed to eat it with the spoon if I don't burn myself. So let me grab a spoon. Oh, we don't have any spoons here. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. Not me burning myself. I'm going to take a little bit of the ingredients. And we're going to take a bite. And try to get a little bit of the broth. Oh, that's so good. There we go. Egg drop soup. Clean, simple, and delicious. So, thank y'all for coming and joining us. I'll leave the recipe down below. And y'all have a wonderful day. And we'll see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Golf Nancy. Later.